Right. Students, online students, am I audible to you? Okay. So let us move to the further. In the last session, what was our class concept? Hmm? Right. Fine. Appending was completed, right? So is it posted for you? No. So it's not posted. I hope so. Only example I shown you, right? Okay. So let me go to the place. So within few seconds, I will discuss that append. Then I'll go for other kind of thing. NumPy. So NumPy. What is this now? Appending, inserting, and deleting. These are the operations we discuss now. These are the operations we discuss. So important. So NumPy. First, I will go for what operation? Appending operation. Appending operations on 1D. 1D. So start here. Hmm? Video. You said you on your video in mom, mom day. Monday, na? Okay. So, my dear student, you are concentrating on my video. Is it? Okay. So, actually, my video is taken below. So, anyhow, tomorrow, because I minimized my video, students. So, today, I minimized my video, and I think you can see my video now. You can see my video. This is minimized. Once it minimized, it cannot be bringing back. Okay. So, tomorrow class, we will go for our video onwards. Okay, now? So because more strength is there because of the video started, it will become delay in my voice. That's why I did not on my video. Tomorrow onwards, I will make it my video. I will change my connecting connection type also. I will change. I'll connect to my internet connection. Then I will go for it. Okay. So there is not a point. So come to the point back now. Appending operation on 1D. Come on to the point. So try to answer it. In this case, what 0 represents, axis 0 represents row and axis 1 represents columns. Okay, good. NP, NumPy as NP. So A is equal to NP dot array of some data. I will take it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 50 and then 60, 40 and then 50. This is my data. I am going to write it print of A, print of content of A, content of A. So I'm going to say A here. And type of A, that is natural. So you already know this. So I want to add, so come on here only I'm writing, append the value 45 to which object? Append the value 45 to which array object? ND array object, 1D array object. Come on, start all of you. Come on, start with NP dot append of A comma 45. A comma what? 45. So output is shown, but originally A value remains same only, correct? So that's why to make it permanent, I will go for this one, right? Content of A, this is before appending. Content of A before appending. Content of A after appending. Content of A after appending. This is after appending. So let us print. This is print of A. And then this type of A. So this part was already completed. So this is the value called 45. So append more than one value, students. Same. Append more than one value. So let us take the same array only. Same array only. Append 45 and 55. 55 and 65. 55 appending this value. So you need to write what? 45, 55 and then what? 65. I need to keep it in a list. List format I need to take it. So it is also going to be 45, 55, and then what? 65, right? So this is very simple. Already we have seen last class. So appending the same operation on where? 2D. Appending this operation on 2D students. So how do you go about the 2D? So create a 2D here. So I will take this data. I will take this data in this place. I will take how many values I am having? 5. I will take one more value called 60. Dot what? Reshape of, come on, huh? 2 comma 3. Good. 2 comma 3. So it is going to be like this. Now I want to append one row. Shall I append one row? Right, row I will go for it. Row means what? Either in the ending of this row or ending of the column. Anything you can go for it. So row ending I am going to append. So how do you go about it? Append, append the row, append the row. What is the row here? 70, 80, 90. Append the row 70, 80, 90 to what is this? 2D. 2D array. And students, before this, here I am writing ma shape is equal to comma what? A dot what? Shape. So how do you append? Come on, start with content of A after content of A. Okay, first you do that. NP dot append of A comma 70 comma 80 comma 90. So is here access is equal to very good. So as I already said to you, access is equal to 0 represents good rows. So print of A. This I will write it. Print of A. The shape and everything I am printing it. So students, it is going to be available. What happens? So here I am going to take it. This is shape 2 comma 3. What is the problem there? Same order of dimension. Access 0. Content of A. One more bracket. Correct. One more bracket you need to give. One more bracket you need to give. Last class we used it because every entry in the every row in the matrix is ND is called inner list. So I need to take up. Is it earlier 2 rows and 3 columns? 3 rows and 3 columns. This is for appending at the ending of it. Similarly to that column also I want to add column. Column require how many values? 3 values. So go to the same thing, the same mechanism only you take it. Come on, add, append, append a new column, append a new column. What is the new column I want to take? 15, 25, 35 I want to take it. 15, 25, new column, 2, what array? 2D array. Come on, first. A is equal to np dot append of A comma, I will take it inside of it 15, 15 comma like this, 25 comma 35, 35. I think this part already we discussed it, comma, access is equal to what? 1 I will write it. Access is equal to 1 I will write it. So here this is print of that shape of this, everything I am writing it. So this is the one I am getting it, 15, 25, 35, 15, 25, 35, 3 comma 4. I think you are getting me. Clear? Right. This is for appending the data. So students in online, I think you are understanding. This access is equal to 0 represents what here? Right. This 0 represents rows. This access is equal to 1 represents columns. This is for columns. Okay, students, this is the one you got it. Okay, no? So no, there is no problem in this because this is also one important, very regularly coming across. So when you go to any full stack Python developer, when you go to full stack Python developer, the first compulsory question these days, in earlier, as the days are increasing, if we take the our students appearing for interviews is concerned, Very recently, morning 7:30 girl brother is my student, it seems. Today she said, sir, see, they asked about almost 40 to 50% of the questions from NumPy and then Pandas. As a full stack Python developer student, they are going to be. Because these days, full stack Python developer students are giving a task of what? Data science related activity also. Because you are good at the coding of Python. That's why they will utilize you in different places. Even they will put it into cyber security level coding also. Even they will put it into IoT related role also. Even they will put it into Azure also. Azure. Because these are all called concepts. The main backbone for all these concepts is coding. So coding related activity means these operations you need to know. That's why functions are very important. Libraries are very important. Shall we go to the next? What is the next operation? Come on. Inserting. Appending always inserts the data at end. Ending. Either row ending or column ending. But I want to go for what? Come on. Inserting. I will go for it. Inserting. Go to the place. Now I'm going to NumPy. NumPy. Which operation? Inserting operation. Inserting operation on what? 1D. 1D array. I will take it. 1D array. I will take it. Shall we start off? Right. Let us go to the, instead of typing it here, I will take this. Coming to this place, students, here I'm going to write it. A is equal to np dot array of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Content of A before inserting. Before inserting. So I'm going to take it this data. So as far as insert is concerned, because anyhow I will give you the syntax and everything. Syntax and everything. Append syntax. Append function syntax you have seen. So here I will write just for your, anyway, I'm going to give you the notes for you. Append. What is the syntax here? Syntax number one. So variable name is equal to numpy dot append of nd array object, nd array object, comma, value, value. This is called one thing. Next is called one more kind of syntax. What is that now? 2 is equal to of what? Values. Values I can take it. Do you know this now? Values. This is called what? 1D. This is for what? 1D. You know. Next is called number 3. Syntax number 3. Syntax number 3. I will write it what? 2D. There I will write it. Come on. Here I will write it. List of values. List of values for row. I will write it. List of values for row. Access is equal to 0. 0. Here access is equal to 0 represents row. Row. Similarly, I will go to, even I wrote the syntax directly like this. So coming to this place, next one, 4. 4. Go to, what is this now? 2D. What I'll write? I will write, come on. Here I will write it. Column value 1, column value 1, column value 2. This is column value 1, column value 2. Depends on existing, sorry. This is called what you know, column value 2. So on, I will write it what? Column value n. There I will close it again. There I will write close it. Access is equal to what? 1. 1 represents what? Yes, column. This is about the puppet. That's all. So this kind of syntaxes you need to remember. That's what I'm regularly saying. Don't remember only append. If you append only append, problem for you. You have to remember these syntaxes. Right? There is a difference between academic student and working employee. Working employee knows what? Direct process related operations. Working student, academic student knows what? Only theory. Because of theory, blackboard, white chalk piece, it's always problem only. So that's why these syntaxes are very important for you. So now I will go to, next one is insert. NumPy insert I will go. There also same. So here I will go to insert. Insert of operation. So now I'm going to take up. What is this now? You look at the example first. Always first example, inserting. Now I'll go to insert the value, insert the value, insert the value, something like 100 at first index. At what index? First index. Insert the value 100 at first index. Insert the value 100 at which index? First index. So how do you do that? Simply A is equal to NP dot. Look at, I will tell you insert ND array object. What is the ND array object? Comma. Which index? 1. Value how much? 100. You need to give it. Are you following? So what is the insert? What is the A? 1D array. 1D. 1D. What is this one? Index. What is the value to insert? 100. Now print of what? Content of A after inserting. Content of A after inserting. This is after inserting. After inserting. See this now, students. Is it 100 inserted or not? Yes. Insert the value 100. Insert the value at 100, 100 or 1000 at the last index. Last index. Do you know last index? Yes, I forget. What is that last index? -1. Already indexing and slicing concept are done or not? Yes, please tell me. -1. -1. Of what value? 1000. 1000. Is it 1000 is inserted in the -1 place or not? Last index in the sense, this is my value which is available. At this place it is inserted. Existing value will go to forward direction. Already this is done in the insert of our list only. Don't expect, otherwise students, don't expect that 1000 will come here. If you want 1000 here, go for what? Append. Are you following? Go for what? Append. Okay. So when I am inserting at -1 means this is a -1 place. When I am inserting at -1, this will go to forward direction. That's why it is going to be showing like this. Are you following? Right. Now, online students, coming to the place of it, now I will go to the same example I will carry. The same example I will carry. This one. I want to insert two values more. Two values I want to insert. How many values I want to insert? Two values. So I appended one value. I appended more than one value also I did. Today I want to append what? More than one value. So insert one value. Insert, come on, 100 and 200, 200 at index 2, at index 2. So how do you do that? A is equal to NP dot insert of A comma, A comma. What are the values? I said what? 2 comma. I need to write 100 comma 200. 100 comma 200. So this indicates that what is my value already? 0, 1. In this place, what are the two values placed? So the output will become what, ma? 10, 20, 100, 200, 30, 40, 50, 50. Okay, good. I will print this. So here I am writing content of A after inserting. Content of A after inserting. So this is the one I am going to have it. Are you following me? Right, done. Online students, I think you are following me. Okay, right. Next, go to same thing. I will continue the same policy. You take it like this. One more mechanism I am going to take it. This is called A students. This is called our A. Now, I want to insert in this place, insert 1000 at 1 and 2000 at what is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth index. Fourth index. And I am not only inserting in one place, I can insert one value at one index, I can insert another value at another index also. Are you getting me? So this is not possible generally in the list. It is possible only in the list in one place only. But in NumPy you can place multiple places. Come on, start here. I am going to write it. A is equal to NP dot insert of A comma 1 comma 4 1 comma 4 of what 1000 comma 2000. Are you following me? Yes. If you want to print, you say content of A after inserting. After what? Inserting. After inserting. So print of what? A. So see students, this is of course when one place 100 is there, definitely it will be changing the positions or not. Come on, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4 only. But when it is inserted, it is definitely goes to fifth or not. Come on, come on. Yes, sit properly. So I think you are following. When I am inserting at the 4, but when this value inserted, that fourth value will become what? Fifth value. I think you are following me. So this is about inserting more than one value. Inserting more than one value at the different positions. At one position, two values you can insert. At a different positions, you can insert two different values. So what are the insert varieties? Inserting one value at a time, inserting at one index more than one value, inserting different values at a different indices. This is about what? Insert. These many varieties you need to tell. Hmm? Preeti, sir, you told you will upload Python questions. I will upload, ma. I'll upload. MCQs you are asking? MCQs you are asking, ma? Google. This one confused, sir. Okay, you confused. All the best. Confused, huh? No confuse. Confuse is a psychological process. Confusing అనేది ఒక psychological process. So, come on. Syntax number 1. Tell me now. First, what you understood now? Variable name is equal to np dot numpy dot insert of 1D array 1D array comma index comma value. That is the basic syntax. The basic syntax. Next is called a second one. I will tell the first one and I can say over, I can say, but it is not the one. Don't learn basics. Insert of 1D array. Come on. Index comma. What is this? Value 1 comma, value 2 comma, so on comma what? Value n. Value n. Value n. Are you following me? Next, one more I said, say 3. I will write 1D array. I will say index 1 comma, index 2 comma, so on, comma, so on. What is this? Index n. Index n. How many indices you are passing corresponding to that many number of what? Values are required. Value 1, value 2, value n is required. At this index, this value will be there. At this index, this value will be coming. Like that, these values will be coming. I think you have seen that examples. Is it clear? Right. Online students. Right. Yes, ma'am. So I will upload it. I already said that once this NumPy is getting over, I will upload all that MCQs and everything. All things I will upload. All these things I will upload to you. I already shown you. I will upload when this NumPy is getting completed. Already I am having that entire things. So Python interview based questions I am having. Still there are, I need to put it into this place. There are yet to be there in my inbox. I will download and I will keep it. Don't worry about it. I will give everything for you. Nothing to bother about it. At the end of the class, in front of you only, I will upload all those things. Come to the next. What is the next? Syntax number 3. Go to where? 2D. 2D I will go for it. Okay now? Right. So next I will go to one more kind of thing. 2D. NumPy operations with what? 2D. NumPy operations with 2D. So I'm going to enter into this. Very, very important again, students. Start. So take the example of this data. Take the example of this value. Take one more element here. Take one more element. So 60 you take it. 60. Dot what? Reshape of. Reshape of I will take. Reshape of 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 or 3 comma 2, whatever you like it. This is my data. Now I want to go for what? Inserting. 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 If you want 3 comma 2 also, you can take it. 3 comma 2, you can take it. So this is my place. So I want to insert. This is 0th row, first row, and then what? Second row. Second row. Right? This is 0th column, first column, second column, like that. And this is the matrix like this. Let us go for insert. Inserting into what? Insert. Insert what? Row called what? 25 and 35. At which row? First row. First row. Row means what? Access I need to use, or 2D means access I need to use compulsory. Come on, start with. So A is equal to NP dot insert of A comma, come on, 1 comma, 1 comma. What is that? Value. So what is that value called? 25 comma 35, 35 comma access is equal to 0. Access is equal to 0. So here access, I already wrote it. Access is equal to 0 represents what? Row. So here I will write it. Print of shape is equal to A dot shape. A dot shape. This I will write it after inserting. This is content of A after inserting. After inserting. So see that, is it 25, 35 inserted or not? Before that it is a 3, 2, 3 rows and then 2 columns. It is called what? 4 rows and 2 columns. Is it 25, 35 inserted or not? Yes. Next, I will go for column also I want to insert. Come on, go to the column. Go to the column again. So this is my data. Go to the same statement. I will go to the same statement. Go to the next. Insert 25. Insert 25. Already, before that, this is my matrix, correct or not? So how many values will be coming? 15, 0th row, and then what? First row. So in the first row, I will insert. In the first row. The first row will go to the next or not? So how many column values? 3. So insert 25, 35, and then 45 at which column? First column. Come on, I forget. A is equal to insert of what? Come on, faster. I will write it. No. Of, come on, 25, 35. Come on, next, 45. 45. Access is equal to, access is equal to 1. 1 represents? Yes. Good. Column. Yes, I will take care. Yes, I will take care. So this is called a comma. This is called a comma. So now you see that, is it added or not? 25, 25, 25. Okay, 1 minute. So, okay, that is broadcasting rule is applied. Okay. Now see, it is called 25, 35, and then what? See, syntaxes are very complicated here. Syntaxes are complicated. Append level is different. Insert level, all of a sudden it is going to be different. So 25, 35, 45. So it is appended. Is it first column or not? 25, 35, and then 45. Now I want to add one more row. Can I add one more row? Go to one more row. So last and final to the same A only. Go to the A. Now see that add. Add the row. Add the row. What is the row? Something like 10 or something like 11, 22, 33. How many? As row. At where? Second index. Second row, I can say. As second row. Here only I will write as what row? Second row. Start. A is equal to np dot insert of a comma 2 comma 11 comma 22 comma 33 comma access is equal to 0. Access is equal to 0. So try to print that shape of it. You try to print here. So you are going to get it 11, 22 and then 33. Are you following? Last. Last one column I will add it. Last and final one column I will add it. So add the column. So this is my data. Add the column. So here add the column values. Add the column values hmm, as 33, 44, 55 and then what? 66 at 0th row, 0th column. 0th column అంటే beginning లో. Beginning. Oh, okay. Come on, tell me everybody. np dot insert of a comma 0 comma that values. That values I will write it. That values I will write it. Comma access is equal to very good 1. So you print that the data here as it is you print it. So this is called after inserting. So this is the values 33, 44, 55, 66. Clear? Right. Next, students, you are understanding the significance of this entire data. Last and final, students, now I will go to one more attempt we will do. One more attempt we will do. Let me go to this place. Here, I think online students, are you comfortable? Are you comfortable with this? Now I will go to 3 comma 2. I will take this data. Now I will add first row one thing I want to add. Second row also something I want to add. 2 row values I want to add at a time. 2 rows I want to add at a time. Referring one row only we added. So here, come on, add. Come on, add something like 11, 22, 22 at where? First index, first row, and 33, and then 44 at second or third. మీకు ఎలా కావాలంటే at second row. Of course, when you are adding at the first time, A is equal to np dot insert of a comma 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. And in this place I am adding, that will be going to the existing one will go to where? Second. At that place, one more time, this 33, 44 is added. So, comma, what are the values you need to take it? I need to take, come on, 11 comma 22, and next is called 33 comma 44. Come on, access is equal to 0. Access is equal to 0. So, print of A. Print of A. Are you following me? Beautiful. So, this is the one. And second, in this place, what is happening? This is 0. This place it is adding, that value will go to the next. This is the place decided to add or not. In this place, this value will go to next. In this place, it is added one thing, and in the other place, it is added one more. So if you see this place, what is added? 10, 11, it moves forward. And in this place, it is added, it is going to move forward. 33, 44, it is moving forward. Are you getting me? So don't expect side by. Okay, now? So this is going to be clear, I think so. Now I want to add what? Different columns also you can add. Are you okay? So A dot, come on, shape is equal to, this is called how many? 5 comma 2 kada? 2 comma what I am doing? 2 comma 5. I am reshaping it. Print of what? A. So this is my data. Now I want to go for columns. Come on, insert 55, 65, 55, 65 at 0th column, 0th column, and 11. Okay, or I can say something like, 55, already it is there now, 28 and 38, 38, 38 at third, if you want, third. Start. A is equal to NP dot insert of A comma 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. And in this place when I write, it will move to the that one next. 0, 1, 2, 3. This place it is added and this 2250 will go to the next. That is the meaning. Comma. What should I do? I will write it. Tell me. 55 comma 65. Next 28 comma 38. 38. Close. Axis is equal to 1. So print of A. Print of A. Is it done or not? 55. Little important. 55. 55 65. Here 55 65. It is coming in this way. 55 and then 28 is taken here. 0th place. 55 and 65. 55 and 65. It is coming like this. And 28 is coming here. This one and this one is taken like this. But we want to take it as what? 55 65. 1 minute, students. So I will reshape the same data. This is going to be reshaping. Just eliminate this one. 1 minute. We will plan for like that. You try to execute. This value you reshape it. This value you reshape it. A dot what? Shape is equal to 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. Print of A. Print of A. This is my data. A is equal to, what is our data? A is equal to NP dot insert of A comma 55 0 comma 3. This place 0 comma what? 3. What I do is 0 comma 3 okay. 0 comma 3 okay. 0 here. And I will write 3 here. Like this I will write it. Comma. I'll try to write it. What was the data passed? 55, 65, 55, 65. Okay. Next is what? 28, 38. 28 and then 38. 28 and 38. Comma. Axis is equal to 1. So print of A. You try to see index argument dimension should be scalar. Okay. So 0 comma 3. 0 here only you need to have some adjustment, students. Here only you need to take care. Just the last attempt we do. Later, according to our requirement, we will change it. Also scalar. So 0 comma 3 also same scalar only. So this you need to take according to our requirement. You need to take it. 28. Here you need to take it as what? 65 you need to take it. So that I'll be getting 55, 65. This is called what? 38. This is the way you need to take it. So you observe it. 55, 65. 55, 65. 28 and 38. Because these syntaxes are very much important and you need to practice. More practice, then only you can remember. Otherwise, if you simply practice like normal Python coding, it's difficult. In Pandas also, so many syntaxes I'll tell you. All those syntaxes are very important. In data science, you see some of the students who are learning AI, just you talk to them, just like an innocent student you talk. You just ask one small question. What is the use of NumPy? You ask it. You just listen their answer. They will say only full form. They don't tell anything else. What is the use of it? How mathematical calculations are used and all. And programmatically, these are very, very important. And during the multi-time indexes, of course, this is very rarely this will come across. Actual come across thing is At one index, how to insert it. At 0th index, how to insert it. At first index, how to insert it. You'll come across. So myself only giving some more idea for you how to go for different rows, how to insert at different columns, how to insert it. Are you following me now? Right. This is about inserting operation. What are the inserting operations? You tell me. This is called 1D related. Syntax number 4. Come on, fast. Variable name is equal to numpy dot insert of 2D array, 2D array, comma. Come on, what is this? Index, row index, I will write it. What is it? Row index, comma. What is that? List of values for row. List of values for row, comma. Access is equal to 0. Here access 0 represents what? Row. Same as previous. Same as previous. Same. Next one is called what? Here I will write it. See, this is called 5. We'll go to 2D array. What index? Column index. Column index is equal to list of values for what? Column. List of values for column. Access is equal to 1. Here access is equal to 1 represents what? Column. So I hope it is more clear. Are you following me now? Right. So for additional example is concerned, I gave you at different places how to insert it. Column level only. In the row level, anyhow, you have done it. In the row level, you have done it or not? This place you have done it. So take care about that. Now I will move to the next operation. Is it clear? Right. Next I will go to which one? Deletion I will go for it. Deletion I will go for it. So next numpy delete operation I will go for it. So there also I can go for deleting row, column, separate values also I can remove. Start here. Numpy which operation? Delete. Delete function I'm going to. What is this now? Delete operation on 1D. 1D. Come on, start with. Take the data. Take your data here. So I'm going to take up. I'll take this data without reshaping. So say 70, 80, 90 like that. Content of A. Now say what? Delete value 50. To delete the value 50, we must use its index. We must use its index. Okay, now? Come on, start with. How do you do? A is equal to np dot delete of A comma 50. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will say 4. So I'm going to write it what? Content of A. Content of A. This is before deleting. Before delete. This is before delete. This is after delete. Now I'm going to say content of A after delete. After delete. So there I'm going to write it. See this now. So we are not having the value called 50. Do you have 50 here? No. So delete the value. Again I will print A. Again I will print A. So here I am writing delete 90. Delete 90. 90 from 1D array. From 1D array. How do you delete that? Come on, A is equal to np dot delete of A comma -1. Whichever is convenient for you, you can delete that. Index you can use. Is it 90 gone or not? Yes. Similarly, delete 10 and 70. Delete 10 and 70. And whose indices are, come on, whose indices are what? 0 comma -2. Yes. So A is equal to np dot delete of. So take care 0 comma A comma 0 comma 0 comma what? -2. But take care, check it once and then do. When it is deleted, this one, what will be happening? You just see whether the 60 becomes minus 2 now. All those things we'll observe it. Print of A. Print of A. So correct. Gone. Is it 10 and then what? 70 gone. Are you following me? Like that, you can delete two consecutive elements you can do. You can delete multiple elements like that. You can go for it. Hmm? So here, update, sir. Update. Krishna is asking update. Krishna is more busy in shooting, I think. Already I said update. Already update I said. Because ND array object is mutable. Mutable I said or not? Simple students, you need to remember. So like academically you are thinking insert to update to Allah. When sir says append to insert to, you'll remember immediately update. Update I said in LKG only. A of 0. What is the A of 0 value actually? 20. Now I want to make it as 200. 200. Print of A. Is it 200 is updated or not? Already explained. Already explained. If you read my notes, everything ఉంటుంది అందులో. It is like an Indian constitution. All things will be there in you. మీకు ఏం కావాలి? Career building. Everything is there in the notes. Only you need to read the notes. That's all. You will select everywhere. If you don't read, nothing will be there for you. So let us move to the further. So next, you go to NumPy Pandas level, everything from the notes only. Python 99.99%, here 100% this will be coming. And they don't touch multiple syntaxes. They'll touch only the topic and its purpose, that syntax. But we are talking about more number of syntaxes. Shall I go to the 2D now? Let's go. 2D. 2D, I will take it. Let's go to this place, 2D. So, coming to this place, here I am entering delete operation on 2D. D dot reshape of 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. So 3 comma 3. Is it 3 rows and 3 columns or not? Come on. Now you only tell me. I want to delete this row. Delete this row. I don't tell anything. You only tell me. What is this row index? 0, 1, 2. You only tell me. Delete. Which row? First row. First row from 2D. From 2D array. From 2D array. Tell me. A is equal to np dot delete of A comma, come on, 1 comma, access is equal to, good, good, ante. Here access is equal to 0, represents rows. So print of what? A. So this is called A. Is it the first one removed or not? Yes. Now I want to go for deleting this 2080. Deleting this 2080. Delete what? This is called A. This is called A. Delete. Which column? First column. Delete first column, students. Delete first column from this. Come on, you only tell me. np dot delete of A comma 1 comma access is equal to, good, good. Ante. Here access is equal to 1 represents what? Columns. Print of what? A. So done, gone. Gone or not? Yes. Rebuild once again, students, this one. Rebuild once again here. Now I want to delete 0th row and last row I want to delete. 0th row and then last row. How do you do? Delete here. Delete 0th and what? Last row from 2D. 2D array. Come on, A is equal to np dot delete of A comma 0 comma minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 row, minus 2 row, minus 3 row. Come on. Access is equal to 0. Print of A. Print of A. Gone or not? Yes, first and last is gone. Are you following me? Okay. Now I will bring it. Now I will bring the same. I'll bring the same. So this is the one. I want to delete this 0th column and then last column I want to delete. Last column I want to delete. With negative indices, I want to delete. Delete 0th column and last column. For example, last column is what? -1 index. -1 అది ఇక్కడ 0th column అంటే -3 -3. These are the things. Start with A is equal to np dot delete of A comma -3 comma -1 comma axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1. Here axis is equal to 1 represents what? See, every time I am writing that A. So is it gone or not? Only middle of the values are available. Are you following? I want to remove this. I want to remove this 20 and 80. 20 and 80. I want to remove. This is A. Last and final. This is A. Remove. Remove with negative indexes on delete. Delete 20 and 80. 80. Row elements. Row elements whose indices are what? -1 comma -3. A is equal to np dot delete of A comma -1 comma -3 comma axis is equal to 0. So print of what? A. What is the element left out? 50. Got it up? This is about insert, delete, and everything is there. Very, very important. So online students, so you could go for last and first element, middle rows, all the things you can do. This is about which operation? Insert operation. Come on here. Syntax number 1. Quickly. Syntax number 1. Say. So I will go for syntax number 1. Say. What is this now? Delete. Go for delete. 1D array index. That's all. That's all. Next, another one. Syntax number 2. Syntax number 2. Delete of what? Come on. Index 1, comma, index 2, so on, index n. Index n. Are you okay? This is for 1D. It's related to what? 2D. 2D. This is called 3. 3. Delete of 2D. What should I say? Come on. Row index. Row index. I will say next. Come on. Axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0 represents what? Row. Row. Similarly, I will go to the same thing. Row index 1, row index 2, row index 1, row index 2, so on like this. Axis is equal to same thing. Similarly, I'll go for what? Column. Correct? So this is 4, this is 4, this is 5 and 6. Go. This is the 4. Rows are over. Next, this is called what? Column index. Column index. Axis is equal to 0. 0 says what? Column. 1. Yes, 1. 1. This is called a 1. Represents what? Column. Same thing. Column index 1. Column index 2. Column index 2. Next column index 2. So on column index. This is axis 1. Represents what? Column. Okay. This is about our subject of what? Delete. Delete. Next is what? Insert. And then append. Append is same now? Append is same. Do you know append? Yes. Can I ask one question on append? Ready to answer wrong? Huh? Wrong? Compulsory will answer wrong. Student, call and. మీకు దానికి తెలుసు కదా మీ గురించి. Right. Now I want to append 40, 50, 60 as 45, 55, 65. Actually, you can append 40 as 45. How do you append it? A of 1 comma 0 is equal to what? 45. What is that one? One first row, first column is called what? 45. If it is a 1D index, A of that index is equal to value, you can write it. But it is what? 2D. 2D. 2D, if I want to do it, what should I do? Row and column. Yes or no? Hmm. Now I want to go for 50. Separately, I need to go for A of 1 comma 0 is equal to 45. A of what? 1 comma 1 is equal to 55. A of 1 comma 2 is equal to 65. చూద్దాం A of 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 is equal to 45. A of 1 comma 1 is equal to 55. A of 1 comma 2 is equal to 65. So print of what? A. So got it. 45, 55, 65. Okay now? Hmm. Now students, this is one procedure. Okay. That you anyhow you know. Do you know that? You don't know that also now? You know now? Right. But I don't want to do this many times. 3 times I don't want to do. Is there any other way? Using slicing. Using slicing. Come on, how do you do slicing? First of all, how do you locate? You tell me. I want to locate that. Pick up that first of all. Pick up that first of all. Who is that? Edukondalu. So, come on. A of 1 colon, 1 colon, row, row. What is that 1 colon? 2. 1 colon 2. Says what? 1 row. How many columns? All columns. All columns. Muddu. 1 column at least. Muddu. 0th column, first column, second column. 0th row, first row, second row. How do you locate this? 1 colon 2, first row. 0 colon 3. 0 colon 3 into all columns. All columns means what? Just colon. Just colon. This will give you the value called like this. Okay now? Is equal to A of 1 colon 2 comma colon is equal to 45, 55, 65. 65. Print of what? A. So got it. మన దగ్గర అన్ని ఉంటాయి. In our notes everything is there. అదే బుర్ర పెట్టాలి దాని మీద. Then everything is there. If you don't read, how can I responsible? Suppose I want to go for updating this value. Which one? 20, 55, 80. I want to update. What is that? I want to update. ఇది చేద్దాం. 30, 65 only. 30 and 65 only update. Update. First of all, how do you get that? That is an important. What is that? Row 0 colon 2. 0 colon 2. That means this will be two things are going to these two things, right or not? Which column? 2 colon. 2 colon. That will give you what elements? 30 and 65 is equal to how do you do that? Now I am going to write it. In this case, what should I do? For 30 and then what? 30. This is one thing. Next is called what? I will say 40. I will take like this. You see that here I am going to write print of A. Is it 30, 40 done or not? See how I am doing. This is a separate column. This is a separate column. Are you following me? Yes. Don't write 30, 40. 30, 40 is one inner list. Is it one inner list? No. In that column, that is one inner list. Are you getting? So you need to take care. NumPy is not a joke. It is a joke when you complete in 1 hour. In all institutes, they will do 1 hour NumPy is over. That time you will become pi. Pi and a paisa. Paisa no value. Even if you give anybody who is roadside some asking money, give me money. If you give 1 rupee, they will see top to bottom who is this person. And wearing laptop, HP laptop is wearing, giving 1 rupee. Is a software engineer or not? In a necklace road, in Imagine in the Necklace Road, one person is there in the Hussain Sagar Road. One person is keeping board, only 5 rupees. The 1 rupee he will not take, 2 rupees he will not take, only 5 rupees. Minimum. Bracket la minimum. Daily I will look at. Daily look at. I will look at daily. He is keeping a board, only 5 rupees. Minimum, in the bracket, minimum. How officially he is doing? Is a maybe official. So, coming to the point. Are you following? Hmm. This is called what? Inserting, updating, and then all the operations are done. Now I'm entering into next concept I'm going to introduce. That is, these are all syntaxes you try to practice. If you don't practice, this will become difficult for you. Now I'm entering into another concept called what you know, linear algebra I'm going to introduce. Linear algebra. Have you studied linear algebra, students? Studied or not studied? So who studied? Raise your hands once I want to see. I want to see your faces. Of course, nobody will open your hand. I know that because if you look at in front of me, whoever is sitting, they don't raise your hands. I know you never raise your hands, right? Start. Raise your hands, girls, boys, and girls. నేనేమన్నా ఇప్పుడన్నా ఏమన్నా అంటామ్మా మిమ్మల్ని ఎనీ టైమ్ I did not say anything. Especially girls, I never say single point also. Who studied linear algebra in school days? 8th class, 9th class, 6th class. మీరు చాలా సిన్సియర్ కదా గర్ల్స్ అంటే. హూ స్టడీడ్? బాయ్స్ హూ స్టడీడ్? స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళాలా లేదా మీరు అసలు? యు వెంట్ టు స్కూల్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎస్. సో ax plus b is equal to 0, linear algebra. Forget, sir. Okay. So, right. No issue about it. Come to something like this. Sometimes look at 2x plus 4y is equal to 6. Some 3x minus 4, something like 5y is equal to 7. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of what? X and y. How to write a code in C language? How to write a code in C language? Because already you are master in C language. బీటెక్ అయిపోయింది, మళ్ళా 8.5 CGPA. ఎందుకు అదంతా? Separately one college, 150 acres land, so many faculties. ఎందుకు అంత చెత్త? Total junk. Java, C++. Next is called what? Java. How do you do? Next, .NET. How do you do in these languages? Compulsory question. When you go to any Amazon big companies, they will give you this. Now I'm going to take up. Simple. Sir, what is the significance of this? How can you represent in our class? In Python, in normal Python coding also I can write. I need to go for at least 50 to 60 lines of code I will write in normal Python code. Normal Python code, it will take like that. Even in C language also you can write 100 plus lines. If I write, you'll get the answer. When you come to NumPy, just one line I will get it. One line I will get it. But behind of one line, what is the scene? What is the cinema behind that? You need to understand first. First of all, how to understand this data? That is an important. See, students, I'm going to take it here. Take an example. Number of boys and a number of girls in the class is equal to some number of boys and girls in the class is equal to something like so Monday also less, Saturday also less. Saturday less because underground activity. Monday less because of Saturday, Sunday enjoying and tired. Rest day this is. Monday is a rest day. And will come to classes Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday planning for Saturday. Planning for Saturday. Generally. Earlier, before 4-5 years, only Saturday planning, morning, evening, underground activity they will do. But today, Friday also they will plan. Like that. సో ఓన్లీ 3 days, ట్యూస్డే, వెనస్డే, థర్స్డే. ఇప్పుడు ఎవడన్నా ఫ్రెండ్ ఎవడన్నా వచ్చాడానికి ఊరు నుంచి, అది కూడా లేదు. దట్ ఆల్సో క్యాన్సిల్. Let it be. Come to number of boys and girls in the class at present. The both all the things is 580, for example. And the number of boys, X, how many number of boys you don't know. Number of boys or girls also don't know. And number of boys paid 18,000 for full stack Python and 17,000 for full stack Python girls is equal to some rupees they got it. Find the number of boys and girls. Find the number of boys and girls in the class. That are called what? Unknown constants called what? X and Y. Here, 2 pence cost. X is called what? Pence. And Y is called what? Pencils. 2 pence. 2 rupees is a pen cost. 4 rupees you take. X is called pencils and Y is called pens. 2 rupees pencils, 4 rupees pens is equal to 6 rupees. And some more constant they took it. The best example you can understand at this stage is 3x minus 5y is equal to they got it. So how many number of pens and pencils here you have? How many number of pens and pencils you have here? That is what is called a linear algebra. For analyzing the given data, that is going to be an important. Are you following? So last and one more time I will repeat. Number of boys and girls is equal to 580. 580. 100 rupees boys paid 100B plus 90 rupees girls paid is equal to something like they are getting something like 1,50,000 they got it, for example. This is the rupees they got it. How many number of boys are there? How many number of girls are there? Is it called to find the value of X and Y or not? How to do this? This is coming under lot of analysis models. All our school days mathematics is very important nowadays in Python. Are you following? So how do you represent in matrices? Generally, you will take A is equal to, observe now, observe. This I will take it as NP dot array of, array of, what are the coefficients of first equation? X coefficient. Come on, X coefficient. So coefficient ante telusa? X పక్కన ఉంది coefficient. Side by X is called coefficient. 2 is a coefficient of X, 4 is a coefficient of Y. Come on, what is this now? 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. This is called one first equation coefficients. Next, what is the next one? B. B. Or I can go for like this. ikkade rasestanu. Comma. What are the second equation coefficients? 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. So it is going to create a matrix. What is the matrix here, ma? 2, 3, so 2, and what is this? 4, 3, 5. 5 minus 5. Yes, minus 5. Minus 5. B is equal to constant values. NP dot what? Array of what? 6 comma 7. 6 comma 7. What is the B value comes? Here it is going to come what value? B value. What is the B value here? 6 and 7. Even in mathematics also, it is going to be taken as what? To get the equation as it is, I will write what? X, Y. X, Y. Do you know this equation now? 2x plus what? 4y is equal to what? 6. 3x minus 5y is equal to what? 7. Correct. This is called our linear equation that I am representing into numpy A and then B. So mathematically, how do you calculate, mom? How do you calculate? I will carry out A of what? A x is equal to what? B. What is the A value I said just now? 2, 4, 3 minus 5. What is the X matrix here? X comma Y is equal to what? B. What is this now? 6 and 7. Come on, I need to find which values. X is equal to Chapali 6, 7. This A will go to this side or not? What it becomes? ఏమవుతుందమ్మా ఇది? మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కదా మీరంతా. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్? ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ బి కదా. ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ బి. ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ బి అంటే బి బై ఏ అవుతుంది. మొద్దు x is equal to what? B by A. A will be taken on the numerator. A inverse. A inverse, matrix inverse. 1 by AD minus BC D A minus B minus C. గుర్తుంది ఇప్పుడు 10th class లో 8th 9th 10th. Inverse of a matrix 2 by 2 matrix. A inverse is equal to, if I take my matrix called A B C D, this is my matrix. This is called A. A inverse is equal to, A inverse is equal to, what is this now? 1 by AD minus BC of what? DA. This is interchanged here. The sign will be changed. Minus B and then what? Minus C. There is one big theorem is there behind that. Instead of remembering theorem, your mind will not support to understand theorems. Your mind is supported to understand at this stage this one. Even interviewer also don't know about what is inverse because he is habituated to use libraries. But I am giving you the root level answers plus programmatic answers. This is a very important success story. Are you understanding? If I find the A inverse of it and multiplying with which value? 6 and 7, you will get what answer? X and Y value answer will be coming. Are you following me? So this one I want to calculate. I want to calculate this operation. These are all called what? I will explain with mathematically with clouding. So NumPy, I'll explain that. First introduction I am giving. Where do you use this linear algebra? In calculating unknown quantities, unknown identifiers, right? Next, so here I am going to write it. NumPy, what operations? Linear algebra. So linear algebra, what type of functions are there in that? What is the use of this kind of things I am saying? One by one with the functions I will explain. Algebra. What is the use of this linear algebra purpose? You will get it in finding unknown quantities, matrix related operations. There we are having some number of functions. What are the functions are available? Now I am writing one by one. Number one, dot of. Already you know. Explained already. So what is the dot of says? Every row of the first matrix multiplied with column of it. It is as good as similar to what? Matmul. Second one I am going to talk about inner of. Spell out. Very, very important. Inner of. Next is called what? Outer of. Outer of. Fourth one I am going to talk about determinant of. Determinant. Det A of 2 by 2 matrix. Det A of 3 by 3 matrix. Right? Next, fifth one. Fifth one I am going to take it. Solve of. Come on, say. Solve. That is called our linear equations solving. Compulsory questions. Compulsory. From linear algebra, they will ask you how many linear algebra functions are there. How to find the determinant of a matrix. Mathematical representation they will give. Right, implement it. One line. Next. I will go to the sixth. I will go to INV. Stands for what? Inverse. Next, seventh. I'll go to trace. What is the function name? Trace. Do you know trace of a matrix? Trace of a matrix is nothing but sum of principal diagonal elements. Do you know principal diagonal? Where I said I function I said. Identity function. I function syntax remembering? What is the syntax? Tell me. మనకు సింటాక్స్ కాదు గుర్తుండదు. ఏం గుర్తుండదు? n కామా m ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నన్ కామా k ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -1 కామా d type. k ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -1 deals with principal diagonal. Principal diagonal below is called what? -1, -2, -3. Lower principal diagonal అది గుర్తుకు ఉండకూడదు. You have to remember k value. Upper principal diagonal elements k 0, 1, 2, 3. Upper principal diagonal elements referred with k is equal to. Below principal diagonal elements is called k is equal to. You need to use it k only. What they will ask, what is k? Go to NumPy, help of I. You'll wonder how you remembered argument names also. Speak in English, but connect to your NumPy. Anytime, anywhere else speaking, you need to come to the direct programming. Even the interviewer is not that much full confident about the arguments because he has the nature of copy paste. Even most of the faculties in Amirpet, they will use copy paste only. Because of copy paste, what you will become? You will paste only. Yes. So that is a problem. That's why teacher has to develop the code in front of you. That is the way. So these are the functions. I will explain one by one these functions. Dot and then inner, outer, determinant, solve, and then inverse, and then what? Trace. So let's start off. How many linear algebra? What is the use of linear algebra? First of all, it is for which purpose? Analysis and analytics purpose we use it. Analytics purpose we use it. In the analysis purpose, one best example I said to you, some unknown quantities, x plus y is equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to, three unknown variables are there, four unknown variables are there, any number of things, nothing will happen, but we can go for solving it. It is called what? Linear equations we can call. In that, what are the operations? Dot of. It was explained already in the case of matrix operations. Next is called what? Inner product, outer product. How much important this is, you cannot imagine. Inner product and outer product. You know, multiply. You know, product. Product and multiply is totally different. Multiply says two values, multiplication is called multiply. Product is called what? A group of consecutive numbers, multiplication is called product. Here, inner product as well as outer product. Determinant as well as what? Solve and then inverse and then trace. These are the linear algebra functions. Spell out once. What are the linear algebra functions? Dot of or matmal of, inner of, outer of, beta of, solve of, inv of, trace of, trace of. These things we need to go for it. Shall we start off? First I will go for what? Come on. Dot of. Dot of already known well. So you know dot things. I don't take much time of it. So I'll take first one is called what? Linear algebra function. Which one? Dot of. Start. A is equal to np dot array of. Here I'm going to take 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. B is equal to np dot array of 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. 4 comma 5. No problem. So I'm going to write it. C is equal to np dot dot of a comma b. A comma b. Print of what? C. C comma type of C. Type of C. Type of C. Earlier also print of A. And then next is called what? Print of B. Print of B. So print of A. Print of B. So this is called 1D matrix I'm going to take up. So NP. Okay. So import numpy as what? NP. So see the output of it. What is the output of it? 1D. Actually, I applied earlier 2D. Now this is called what? Come on. Come on. 2, 3. What is this now? Next, 4, 5. How do you do that? 2 into 4, 3 into 5. What is this now? 8 plus 15. How much? 23. 2 by 2 you will do easily. This is one of the small MCQ question. MCQ question. So this is one thing. Are you following me? Next go to the, this is on 1D. 2D you go for it. Easy for you. 2, 3. This I am going to take it. 1, 4. 1, 4. Here I am going to take it. 4, 5. 4, 5. Comma what? 2 and then 3. 2 and then 3. So what is the operation I said already? 2, 3. 1, 4. What is the next? 4, 5. 2, 3. Tell me fast. What is this now? Everything will be multiplied like this or not? Come on, come on. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Next, 2 into 2 into 5 plus 3 into 3. Next, 1 into 4 plus 4 into 2. Next, 1 into 5 plus 4 into 3, which is equal to, this is 4, 8 plus 6, 14, 14. Next, 10 plus 9, 19, 19. Next, 4 plus 8, 12. Next, 12 plus 5, 17, 17. Are you following? 14, 19, 12, and then 17. So you will be getting square bracket. Brackets నేను చూసుకుంటా కానీ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి ఫస్ట్. So first you tell me the answer. So where is the bracket? So first line comment. First line comment. So you are getting 14, 19, 12, and then what? 17. Comments, commas, semicolons, I'll take. Just you worry about answer. So next, because like other faculty, I'm not going to internet, I'm not copying and pasting here. But the student feature is a dilemma when there's something copied and pasted. First of all, you need to know why you are copying and pasting. That is important. So coming to the point back. Now I got it. Are you following me? Next, like that, this is important. This is an important. This is called which product? Dot product. Spell out. Dot product. Next, I need to go for which product now? Inner product, I need to go for it. Shall we go to the inner product? Yes, now I will go to the inner product. I will go for apply. So take care, students. Now I am going to take care about it. Inner product, you are going to introduce. Inner of. Inner of. So there I am going to write it. Inner of. Inner of. I am going to apply. So, inner of. So there you try to see what is the inner of. As per as 1D and then dot product on 1D. Dot product on 1D. Dot product on 1D and inner product on 1D are the same operation. Dot product on 1D and inner product is going to be the same operation. In my regular notes, I will show you what is multiplying full operations will be given. I will show the notes also. But inner product will be getting deferred in where? 2D. Let us see what will be the dot operation on 2D. Take care. Now I am going to take it something like this. Go to the place. Here I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. 1, 2. If you want the same operations, you can take it. This is a 2, 3. What is this now? 1, 4. This is one thing. Next is called what here? Come on. 4, 5. Come on. 2, 3. This is called inner product I am going to apply. What is this is going to be? 1 into 2. That is called 2 into 4. 2 into 4. This one. Next, 3 into 5. 3 into 5. I am going to write it plus 3 into 5. 3 into 5. But earlier one is different. Earlier dot product is different. Next, one more. 1 into, come on, 2 into 2. This one. 2 into 2. Next is what? So, come on. 1 into, this is called 2 into 2. Next, plus 3 into 3. Next, 1 into 4. 1 into 4 plus 4 into 5. Next, 1 into 2 plus 4 into 3. 4 into 3. What is the answer? It is called 8 plus 15. How much? 23. Next, 4 plus 9. 13. 4 plus 20. 24. Next, 1 into 2. 14. This is an answer for what? Inner product. inner product, inner product. Very, very important. So try to see what is happening. Inner, inner. Line number. Okay. Comment. This, try to see this. Are you getting or not? 23, 13, and then this one. I will show you that a full, you may have a doubt, sir. How can we remember? In the notes part, it is detailed answers I'm going to show you. In this place, while I'm giving the notes for you, the detailed operations are given for you. Linear algebra, if I go for it, you are having already, here I'm having inner product, for example. Here I'm going to mention here. Already this calculation part clearly written with a spoon feeding calculation is given, output is given, how it is multiplied, everything I am giving. Are you following now? Come to which function now? Outer function. Outer function. Inner elements will be multiplied. Outer function 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. It is on what? 1D. 1D. How do you do that? Come on. How do you do? 1 into 2, 1 into 4, 1 into 6, 1 into 2, 1 into 4, 1 into 6. That is called one row. Next, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 6. That is the second. Next, 5 into almost all the elements. This is called which product? Outer product. Inner product ఏమవుతుంది? 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 5 into 6, one element only will come. Outer product will get this many. Are you following me? So if you want, you can go to this place because already result is there. Can have the verification also there. So go to which one here? Outer product. This is called inner, I can say here. This is inner of. So I'm going to take up. This is my data. I will go to inner of it. Got it. Next I will go to which operation? Outer I will take it. This is an outer, I can take it. Even if you go to the same example also, no problem. Outer of it. 1, 3, 5, etc. You see that thing? 1 into 2, 1 into 4, 1 into 6. The first one. 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 6. And 5 into all these elements. Are you following? Come on. Yes. Similarly, when you go to this kind of thing, when you go to this kind of thing, the big matrix will be coming. Big matrix will be coming. The same operation, outer one. This is an outer one. Here I am going to write it outer. Outer I am going to write it. Outer. Can you go for it? Start with what is this now? 2 into 4. What is the 2 into 4? 8. 2 into 5. Come on, next 2 into 2. 2 into 3. This is called what? Outer one row. Next 3 into 4. 12. Come on. 3 into 4. 3 into 5. 3 into 2. 3 into 3. That is the next. Similarly, 1 into all these things. This is called 4, 5, 2, 3. 4 into all these elements. This is called the another one. Are you following me? This is called which function? Outer function. Outer function. Next, what is the next function? Online students, are you following? Online students, are you following next? So this is called which function? Outer. Next, go to where? Determinant. Determinant. Shall we go to determinant tomorrow? Right? Determinant, solve. All these things I will take it in the tomorrow class. Determinant, solve, and etc. After finishing this, we will go for tomorrow. Listen, we'll go to universal functions are there. Universal functions, U, F, U, and C. Universal functions are going to come. Very, very important again. Don't miss the classes. Right. Thank you. Arya. Online students, if you have any doubts, you hold on. I'll connect to you. Online students, any more doubts? Up to here I will upload, students. Try to follow that. I think there is no hand raising symbols are available. Krishna, tomorrow I will tell you. So tomorrow I will tell you that. Tomorrow I will tell you that. Vishnu, sorry sir for asking this. When the pandas section is going to start? Maybe within 2 to 3 days. Within 2 to 3 days, this pandas will NumPy will be over. Pandas will start immediately. Within 2 to 3 days. Right. Okay, students, take care. There is no hand raising symbols. I will upload these notes for you. Try to read out. Thank you.